Hey, in this video we'll talk about why currency trading in Forex market is an ideal business. Like many successful businessmen say, in order to start a successful business, first of all we have to ask ourselves why and how. Why means what are my reasons, my aims, wishes, dreams for doing this business, and how means how will this business help me to implement them and how am I going to get there. So let's discuss the first part, which is why. What motivates you to get out of bed every morning and begin some activity? What are your dreams, aims, and goals? What is it that you really want to have, implement, and achieve in your life? Maybe you want a luxurious house with a swimming pool with a gorgeous window view? Or maybe many beautiful and expensive things which would create a feeling of luxury and comfort around you, which could be admired by you, your friends, and colleagues. To have a business which allows you to have a lot of freedom and opportunities where you are your own boss, to wake up every morning with a feeling of satisfaction, knowing that you and you alone decide when, where, and how much you work, and when and where you rest. Or maybe you would like to have a business that doesn't take up too much of your time, but gives you good income and this feeling of self-satisfaction and blossom because you are doing what truly makes you happy. Do you want to have a lot of free time and energy which you can dedicate to yourself, your loved ones, or your family and children? Or maybe you want to visit most beautiful and exotic places in the world, like islands or even the jungle, oldest towns and the cities in the world, and places where not a single soul has set foot in. Have enough time and money for extraordinary and even extreme entertainment and active life. Engage into diving, sailing, skiing, rafting, water biking, or maybe even jumping out with a parachute. Or simply just attain some peace and harmony, be in a divine state of mind. Or maybe help others who are in need or destitute and are less fortunate than you. In spite of what your dreams are or may be, the important thing is whether what you are doing now, today, is something that will get you to where you want to be tomorrow. Ask yourself this: is your current job rewarding with these opportunities? Do you really have enough time, inspiration, and finance for things that make you happy? Maybe you keep on putting it off for a better life tomorrow. But if you don't make the right choices today, you may never have tomorrow you desire. If what you have today doesn't satisfy you, then maybe it is time to reconsider other potential business opportunities, like currency trading in the Forex market. Why do thousands of people consider Forex business to be an ideal business? What is it about this business that makes it so attractive? I guess one of the main virtues at this moment in time about Forex market is that here money is being generated despite of the economical situation, meaning that there is no economical crisis in Forex. And while people working in other industries are worried about their jobs because they are scared to lose their source of revenue, Forex traders can be certain that they will always have the opportunity to make a potential profit. Because as we know, profit here does not depend on the country's economical situation. Actually, to the contrary, the more economical changes take place in the country, the more sharp is the move of the national currency. And that means that traders have a lot more chance to profit from it. Another very much valued by Forex traders' feature or element of Forex business is the independency factor and the ability to work for yourself. Here you have no boss to tell you what to do, so it is you and you alone that decides when, how much, and what to work with, or when to take a day off, or maybe even an unplanned holiday. Differently to other businesses in Forex, you don't have a product or service as such which you need to sell, so you don't need to have storage facilities or work with packaging, nor you need to worry about transportation, and obviously no need to deal with angry or unsatisfied customers. Bonus. For this business, you don't even need an office or a bunch of workers who you would need to take care of and maintain. Another very important quality which makes Forex such an attractive business is comparatively small initial capital, meaning that to start a traditional business you really need to make quite a large investment. In order to begin currency trading, you just need a few $100s and good training to make your first steps. Another great Forex quality is that you can trade currency regardless of where you are in the world. As long as you have a computer and a stable internet connection, or even a telephone, you are good to go. If you wish, you could just sit at the seaside, in a field, or even on a mountain, or even sit on a sofa in your PJs, not worrying about wearing some tight suit with a tie. How great is that? So basically, whatever you fancy, and then just dive into trading. And if you suddenly need to leave for a personal or work-related reason, no worries. You can continue with your trading in a different city, country, or even continent. In comparison with other professions, preparing to work with Forex is much shorter, and you even don't need to have higher education. Of course, that doesn't mean to say that after 2-3 weeks you will be a professional trader, and that profit alone will be enough to live on. But majority of traders state that it has taken them 2 to 3 years to successfully learn to trade currencies, and others achieve desirable results in just a few months. While if you wanted to be, example, a lawyer or a doctor, it would take you many long and hard years of study, believe me. All this and much more makes Forex business one of the most ideal and desirable businesses in the world for those who involve in it with the right attitude and responsibility and make a proper choice between personal currency trading and investment when others are making money for you. Just a reminder that Forex trading is risky, therefore is not suitable for everyone. So guys, I guess this is it for now. Don't forget to visit us at www.forexabc.com. Good day.